I'm sat here and got this beast of a Massey Ferguson. It's just pulled in. As you can see, it's absolutely coming down now with snow. No problem for that machine though. I'm looking to see what model it is and I can't actually see from here. Yeah, I'm not really sure. Need it to come out the yard a bit or lift his forks up, I can't see. It's got something underneath it, AD90. That's it, I'm not 100% sure. Yeah, I was just playing, having a go on Art of Rally, which I'm sharing on the other channel, on Revolt Play, and then I heard the tractor pulling up. I was obviously going to go somewhere in it in a minute. It's got the trailer on the back. He came along earlier with the forks and collected some hay, because they've got horses around the back. We'll just give it a minute and see where he goes, shall we? As you know, I do love looking at a tractor. So if you're watching this on Raimondo Family Adventures, I've got a playlist of tractors on Revolt Play. Then go over to Raimondo Family Adventures for my playlist. Right, he's off. I don't know where he's going, but he's off. Ah, he's taking manure. He's taking manure. Let's go look through the other window, guys. They're off. The opportunity while I can to have a quick look at the tractors. We've got a little dumper. And a couple of other little tractors around here. Oh, it's so thick snow. It's really coming down. Gotta be careful what my feet are gonna get. Soaked, so don't got me. Love how that sign says bus stop on it. And he's back with the tractor. I'm not quite sure what he's doing. Oh, he's got the trailer lifted. Oh, he's backing up. Okay. Well, that's clearly how he's got to do it to get it back. Ah, it's a 640. And there he goes, backing it up. Rather cool from my bedroom window.